Let's take a look at thing for the EURJPY. Let's see what we do. But before that, make sure you subscribe so you know. Currently, EURJPY is literally selling. This is just a current trend. On the main trend, which is a full trend, EURJPY still trend. So if you are a position trader or you are a swing trader that would like to hold the position for the couple of weeks, right? You should be looking for your buy. You should be going in for the buy on EURJPY. But if you're a day trader that would love to, enter a trade for the day, opt out, you might want to sell because when you take a look at your main trade, you can see this to be because it is an uptrend move. This is also the higher low. Then here comes the higher high. This is the higher low. Here comes the higher high. This is our higher low. So our next movement on EURJPY will that eventually form a new higher high, right? So with this movement now, current movement, market is literally trending downward, right? Which is triggers. So you would want to be looking for a sell. So almost sell is what you should anticipate for on JPY. Once the sale plays out, next update to let you guys to know. Now for you not to miss out on it, subscribe. Also follow the Telegram. I'll put the link in the section.